Hey everybody, this is Dustin from Guys with Games. Today's game is called What's My Letter? It's a very easy game and I like to play it with my elementary school classes. So all the teacher needs to do is write down a letter that the students have to guess what it is. I will tell my students to take out your word banks, take out your textbooks, and then I will divide the class into two teams, Team A and Team B. So I'll say Team A, first thing you need to do is just tell me a word. So Team A?
Books.
Books. Okay, no. The letter that I have chosen that I want you guys to guess is not B, O, K, or S. But now you can still guess.
Ooh.
What is my letter?
Is it R?
No, it's not R. Okay, then I'll go to the next team. Tell me a word.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. No. Crocodile. But even though that it's in the no section, you can still guess my letter and get a point.
Is it a U?
No, it's not a U. Okay, Team A again.
Playground.
Playground, no. Do you want to guess my letter?
W.
No. Okay, Team B.
Stationary.
Stationary, no. Stationary, the E or the A.
With an E. So
Okay.
Is it F?
No.
What? Okay. Communication.
Yes. So now the class knows that it's one of these letters, okay? So now the students will pick from one of these ones. What do you think it is?
M.
Yes, it's M, okay? So Team B gets 1 star.
Oh, nice.
Okay, and then what I'll usually do as well is, because I already have these words on the board, I will get the students to make a sentence with the word, or if I have a huge long list of words, maybe I will describe the word and then the kids will shout out the answer. I just make sure to do an extra activity with the words on the board.